Here it is, the Cinewhoop. What is it good for?
Nice little maneuver there.
So, I had one of these before, and it was a piece of crap. The only thing good about it was, I flew it inside of my head, and it didn't even hurt.
Whoa! Close call.
And that is why the Cinewhoop has a spot on the wall. Safety.
Whoa! Not good, not good.
Okay, so it's tough, but not that tough. It has its Achilles heel, its kryptonite, its camera busted. So what else is the Cinewhoop good for? Keep the tape rolling.
This is freestyle. Barely made it over the speed. Full throttle. Oh, nice bounce. Nice bounce. Down, yes. Why are you hugging the trees?
I'm trying not to.
Get away,
All the thrust I can get out of it.
Get away, get away. Oh, and we see a nice little maneuver there. That's gorgeous.
Alright, how long have we been flying?
Oh, like 30 seconds?
The battery's almost dead.
I'm getting hot. Is this the best you've done? What's that about? You could do better. Oh, maybe it's the drone then.
What is it now? What's that supposed to mean? That hurts. You want to know what else it's good for?
Coming in for the landing.
So, freestyling's not his strength. Barely lasts 3 minutes. I think it's time to call in Epic Man! Stinker versus the Mattress. Whew! Won't bore you with that. That was not impressive. Couldn't even get some shadow shots. So, what is the Cinewhoop's strength? Frankly, I think it's taking the action cam right to the action.
Fudge, fudge, call the Dutch. Fudge, fudge, call the judge. Mama got a newborn baby.